Getting school back to something that's considered normal depends on the severity of the outbreak. Right now in Allegheny County, new cases are trending down. Shelby Cassesse joins us now to explain why the health department says we're at a critical point in the fight against the virus. Shelby.
Ken, the county health department says that the return to school makes all these mitigation efforts we've been doing that much more important. And whether or not students return to in-person classes depends heavily on lowered case counts.
And I'm so pleased with the hard work our community has put in over the last several weeks to reduce the spread of the virus in our community.
Words of encouragement from Allegheny County Health Director Dr. Deborah Bogan as the county reported 70 new coronavirus cases Wednesday. It's the sixth straight day the county's new case count was under 100. But Dr. Bogan says now is not the time to let up.
We are at a critical point in this pandemic. Our school season is about to happen.
And with students, parents, and faculty wondering how their school will reopen.
We would all like to bring children back to school for in-person instruction, but that is challenging if rates of infection are high in communities.
Earlier this week, the state provided guidance for schools for how to determine if classes should be online, in person, or a mix based on incidence rate and positivity rate. Dr. Bogan says between July 31st and August 6th, Allegheny County had an incidence rate of 50.1, putting the county in the moderate category of the state's guidance. She says in that same week, the county had a positivity rate of 4.7%, which is in the low category. County Executive Rich Fitzgerald says local school districts have worked closely with the county health department to develop their plans to reopen.
The issue is, will people follow those plans? Will the kids wear the masks? Will all the staff members? So the plans are only as good as the implementation and the cooperation.
Also in today's press conference, Dr. Bogan was asked about school sports, specifically about the state's recommendation to push school sports until at least the beginning of next year. She said her concern is about potentially increased cases as more and more teams play one another, and for that reason, she agrees with the state's recommendation. Reporting live, Shelby Cassesse, KDKA News.